Yo, what's up? This is Mr. E. Welcome again to the Call Center Academy.net. If English is not your first language and you want to boost up your English skills, level up in all aspects, call center skills, soft skills, accent training, your grammar, your vocabulary, your active listening, then you are in the right place. Today, my friends, we got something special for you. We're going to take a test called Harver. It's an English proficiency test that is used by some call centers. We'll have a couple of sections in which we'll read a couple of words to test our accent and also some scripts. So let's go ahead and begin this test. So our goal in this assessment will help evaluate your spoken language proficiency and pronunciation. So there'll be two parts to this assessment. In the first part, you'll be asked to read and repeat, and in the second part, to listen and to repeat a set of short phrases. So let's rock it. Let's do it, folks. Okay, so here's the script. Thank you for calling. We're glad to assist you. Let's record it. Thank you for calling. We're glad to assist you. Oh, cool. It's sending the audio in this practice setup. Oh, let's listen to ourselves. Thank you for calling. We're glad to assist you. Hey, I like that voice. Let's begin the assessment. Oh, we got some cute words here. Let's see it. Check it out. We got the transcript down below. Successful. That's pretty good. Starts out pretty easy. We got 1 out of 18. I'm going to pronounce the T. Winter. You can also pronounce it as winter. Let's go to number 3. Oh, this is a good one. Establishment. Good word. Inconvenience. You see, the beauty of English is in the vowels, but the accuracy is in the consonants, folks. This is a good one. 3, 2, 1. Occasional. Good. I got it. Oh, this is a good one. Consensus. Consensus. Nailed it. I've been telling you, you guys got to come to our accent training classes. That in that way you'll be able to hit those words easily. Oh, here's the script. I'm happy to be helpful to you today. Is there anything else I can do for you? Here we go. Nice tone of voice. I'm happy to be helpful to you today. Is there anything else I can do for you? Work on your tone of voice. That's very important as well. You got to check out our call center training courses at callcenteracademy.net or smash the WhatsApp number. We got a course right now going on. We'll teach you how to refine your accent so you'll pass all these exams. Oh, here's a good one. Thanks for calling again, sir. I see you bought that item on Monday. Is that right? You got a tag question with a rising intonation at the end. Make sure you do it like that. These are pretty good scripts. Look at this. I'm happy to look into a better solution for you if the service is something you are interested in using. Let's go for it. I'm happy to look into a better solution for you if this service is something you are interested in using. You got to connect. You got to learn how to make those speech liaisons and connecting those prepositions to those last consonant sounds. Oh, here's a big one. Let's see. If you prefer that we refer you to another approach, you may call the line again to access the features menu to contact the appropriate representative. Let's do this. If you prefer that we refer you to another approach, you may call the line again to access the features menu to contact the appropriate representative. I'm being very clear with my consonants, so the AI picks up all the correct words there. Here's another one. The following services represent our organization's dedication to ecological conservation through green services and products. Pronounce those S's, guys. The following services represent our organization's dedication to ecological conservation through green services and products. Nailed it. You got to pronounce those S's, guys. The accuracy of English, like I keep telling you, is in the S's, in those consonants. Oh, this is a good one. Within the first 14 days after service activation, you may terminate your agreement for any reason and not be required to pay any activation fee. However, if you decide to terminate your agreement post 14 days, you agree to pay for all fees and charges up to the date of termination. Let's do this. Within the first 14 days after service activation, you may terminate your agreement for any reason and not be required to pay any activation fee. However, if you decide to terminate your agreement post 14 days, you agree to pay for all fees and charges up to the date of termination. That was a good one. We got a couple more to go. Guys, you got to check out the courses. Hey, here's a practice one. We got to listen to the audio and repeat it back. Let's see.
Thank you for calling. We are glad to assist you.
That's an easy one. Let's do it. Thank you for calling. We're glad to assist you. Good. Active listening, guys. You got to come to the course. We're going to boost you up on active listening. Not only on this, but you'll listen to actual calls, real calls. Let's begin the assessment.
I refer to the policy that is outlined in the user manual.
I refer to the policy that is outlined in the user manual. Nice, nailed it. Here's another one.
If you are happy with the price, let us confirm your order.
If you're happy with the price, let us confirm your order. Good. 4 more to go, guys. Listen.
Our senior staff technician can be sent out right away to deal with this issue.
Our senior staff technician can be sent out right away to deal with this issue. Phrasal verbs, guys. Phrasal verbs. You got to sign up to the academy. We'll level you up with all the phrasal verbs, guys.
I think this is the best item for you to purchase.
I think this is the best item for you to purchase. Almost done. We got 2 more to go here.
If you are the policyholder, you have full custody of the account.
If you are the policyholder, you have full custody of the account. Pronounce those last consonants, guys, so the AI picks it up. Here we go, last one.
At the end of this call, we would ask you to fill out a customer satisfaction questionnaire.
At the end of this call, we would like you to answer a customer satisfaction questionnaire. Questionnaire, that's just a fancy word for survey. There you go, guys. I think we're done with this part. Okay, great. We've done now let's go to the spontaneous speech section. Okay, so how to answer. Provide relevant answers, 1 minute to 15 seconds to prepare, 1 minute to record your answer. At least 30 seconds. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, so share a lesson from a mistake you made and how you've applied it in your life. Let's see. Let's start. Okay, a lesson from the past, the mistake that I made and what I learned from it and how to apply it for my life. Well, I could say that a couple of months back, I got a utility issue problem, a confirmation with a bill, which set me back a couple of, you know, um, days in arranging the payment and getting it all set up. But I remember when it happened, I stopped. I was paralyzed to think about it, and I was overwhelmed. And the way I overcame it was, just finally taking action and applying myself and focusing on solving the problem. So in the end, now instead of waiting for or pondering around or staying paralyzed with the problem, I just face on and just go straight through and just face the problem head on. Okay, so now it's uploading. Okay, you guys can listen to your answers here. Okay, a lesson from the past, a mistake that I made and what I learned from it. And so this is spontaneous, and that was just a warm up. Let's get started with the real test, the real assessment. Tell us why you're interested in the current role you're applying for. I'm interested in the current role for customer service as a customer service agent because I have over 12 years experience working in the BPO industry. I have had the opportunity to work with several portfolios from telecommunications, retail, financial accounts, and tech support accounts. I believe that my 12 years experience will be an asset to your company, and we'll be able to share and bring our knowledge of the past 12 years to help you increase your customer satisfaction level and to support your team members. Great. So you guys just get prepared for these type of questions. Although they're spontaneous, I'm sure that they switch them up and change them a lot, but spontaneous speech is important. You might need to use some fillers sometimes when you're not sure about it, but that's it. We've recorded your answer. Okay, next question. Let's see. What is your favorite meal and why? Oh, that's easy. Let's talk about a favorite place that we've been digging lately. Let's go for it. Okay, so my favorite meal would definitely have to be the quarter pounder menu from McDonald's. Why? I just love hamburgers, and I mean, you just can't beat McDonald's. The quarter pounder has a big meat patty, which I love. I love meat a lot, and it's covered with cheese. It also has pickles, onions, and all of the key ingredients that you need for a delicious hamburger. Plus, McDonald's fries, the golden fries are so delicious. You can't beat the flavor. And Coca-Cola is without a doubt the best drink that you can get, a soft drink there. And coming straight from the soda fountain, the syrup and the formula is just more delicious than the regular store Coke. And I would definitely go for the quarter pounder. Did you know that in France, the quarter pounder is called Le Royal with cheese? Yeah. That's just something I picked up from a movie, the Pulp Fiction movie, when Jules says to Vincent, or I think it's Vincent says to Jules, do you know what they call a quarter pounder in French? Le Royal with cheese. And what do they call a Big Mac? No, they just call it Le Big Mac. And what about a Whopper? No, I didn't go to any Burger King joint.